This mistake makes you sound passive or insecure in English, especially at work. Many professionals use this phrase thinking it sounds polite, but it can actually reduce your authority. A very common mistake is saying, "I think we should do this." This sounds unsure, like you're not confident about your idea. In professional communication, confidence matters. A stronger and more effective way to say it is, "I recommend we do this." This sounds clear, confident, and professional. Let's look at another example. Instead of saying, "I think this might work," this sounds uncertain and weak. A better option is, "This will work well." Now you sound confident and decisive. Now let's practice together. Repeat. "I recommend we do this." Good. Now repeat. "This will work well." Excellent. The way you express your ideas can change how people see your competence and leadership. If you want to sound more confident and professional in English, subscribe to this channel today.